Sewage treatment is a process of removing contaminants from wastewater and household sewage water. The principal objective is to allow human and industrial effluents to be disposed of without danger to human health or unacceptable damage to the natural environment. Sewage treatment generally involves three main stages called primary, secondary, and tertiary treatment. Over the last 20 years, a variety of methods of wastewater treatment systems have been developed in order to improve effluent quality. Oxidation Ditch or OD system, which is a mechanized secondary treatment, is a modified form of the activated sludge extended aeration system that utilizes long solids retention times (SRTs) to remove biodegradable organics. This system can be easily adjusted to meet most combinations of incoming sewage and effluent standards and has achieved both biochemical oxygen demand (BOD) reduction and nutrient removal. Typical oxidation ditch treatment systems consist of a single multi-channel configuration within a ring, oval, or horseshoe-shaped basin with mechanical aeration devices. As a result, it is called as racetrack-type reactor.
So let's move on to the next part, which is the history of oxidation dish. The oxidation dish concept was first developed at the Research Institute of Public Health Engineering (TNO), located in Netherlands by Dr. A. Pesveer. Dr. Pesveer is a true pioneer in biological treatment, process and oxygen transfer working at TNO. The oxidation, the oxidation dish purpose was to provide a low-cost, easy-to-operate method of handling small municipal and industrial waste treatment requirements. Placed into service in 1954 at the Voorschoten, Holland, the process serves a population equivalent of 369 persons. However, because of the relatively inexpensive construction and maintenance costs and the ability of the process to deliver high-quality, stable operation with a minimum of operational vigilance, the oxidation dish approach has become increasingly popular worldwide. As of 1975, the EPA estimated that there were 558 oxidation dish plants operating in the USA, with a steadily increasing number coming online each year.
Next, I'm Abraham and I'll be talking about the basic operations of the oxidation ditch. So, most of the processes in oxidation ditch happens here in this structure called the oval basin. This is where the influent or the wastewater enters the basin. Before going further into the process, inorganic materials and other materials that cannot be broken down are removed. Here in the basin, there are bacteria that break down the wastewater. The wastewater is moved around the oval basin by the rotor or aerotor to keep the water flow. This also helps in providing oxygen to the bacteria mentioned earlier so that these bacteria can survive. While the wastewater is being broken down, the remaining sludge settling at the bottom of the basin will be trapped here in the sludge trap, and the waste sludge will be removed. Overall, the processes in the oxidation ditch is a slow process. Then, the treated wastewater will exit the basin, now known as the effluent. The effluent will later undergo clarification and disinfection.
As a conclusion, the oxidation ditch system is a modified form of the activated sludge extended aeration system that can achieve high performance while at the same time requiring relatively simple operational skills. Oxidation ditch have the advantage of much more efficient sludge removal, but they are costly not only in the monetary terms but also in the term of pollution to the environment. Although oxidation dishes that have deficient aeration capacity, which provide poor mixing and poor oxygen transfer, may be easily upgraded by installing floating horizontal batch aerators. Most oxidation dishes are designed to achieve CPOD removal and nitrification. However, many national pollutant discharge elimination system permits may become more restrictive in the future with respect to the discharge of total nitrogen or total inorganic nitrogen. Therefore, modifying oxidation ditch to include an anoxic zone to achieve denitrification is an excellent way to meet the most stringent discharge standards. That's all from our group. Hopefully this video will give you a little bit information about oxidation ditch. And remember, clean water is essential not only to remain safe from disease, but also to maintain a good health.